I forgot to turn it on. I've got this thing for socket cap bolts. It's a affliction. But I'll show you what I did on the next side. We got an alignment issue now because of that front end. So we're going to have to cut some of that off. And the things you don't know about until you know about them, right? So let's get a cardboard and make a template. Did I not record any of that? Shit. Thought it was recording. Sorry. So we cut out a hole. Let's go see what happens. Make sure you check your wheels of death, right? So what happened was, let me cut this straight enough.
Dream the other night I was dressed up all in black, wearing my finest clothes, riding a brand new Cadillac. 6 strong friends by my side, gonna take up my slack. I ain't gonna wake up, no, I ain't coming back. It's deep and cold down in the graveyard ground, cold and deep, Rest up easy, trouble no more. Always been a fighter, I guess that is my fault. My whole life has been a battle, but I finally got caught. Shot down stone cold graveyard there, trying to rise above. Way too much blind faith, baby, way too little love. Keep some money in my guitar case, save up for the man what dig my grave. 9 foot, 10 foot, 11 foot down, deep and cold in the graveyard ground. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Cold and deep, deep and cold in the graveyard ground. Heaven ain't gonna suit me, angel can't sing no blues. Already been to hell, baby, don't pay that devil my dues. So pull me down deep and cold, where I can get some peace. I can feel the cars roll by, oh Lord, I need some sleep. Rest up easy, cold and deep, deep and cold on the graveyard ground. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Nine foot way too shallow, 10 foot ain't enough, 11 foot will almost do, man. Show me a little love. Pull me down deep and cold, where I can get some peace. Where the midnight train won't call my name, where poor soul rest in peace. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Rest up easy, all deep and cold. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Deep and cold.
So after some fitting and refitting, this is what I have came to finish up with. I try to leave as much of the material this way. It's a little wonky right here, but I'm gonna bolt it up and then see what it's like. So I think if it gets too much flex, I can come back with some round bar and weld it around the edge. I don't know if I want to put it on. I'll probably put it on the outside, but we'll see. So if the truck is together, right, put the suspension on, I come in with this piece and I go like this. They drop right on. So this is like this, and then I got full movement up and down. That much not that much travel. Okay, so over here, we drilled it out, put in the 1/4-inch nutsert. Got a big old fender over here. So I'm gonna need some 5/16 and 1/4-inch. Okay, so we're on one. Right? Yeah, okay. Let's go on the other side. Can't see. So this is after sandblasting and soaking, right? So this piece was fitted on there, spot welded here and here, but you can see it was just going to continue to rust. I mean, this was always part of the plan anyway, but you know, just so you know, you got to separate everything. That's a good fit. Listen, listen. You watched me put these on upside down and didn't say a thing. The good thing is, they're easy to take out. Okay, so 1, 2, third time. Third attempt. Yeah, I like it. What's going on?
Lord, I got me a lazy woman. Know why she hang around. Spends all day on my couch, half a night on town. Here she comes, trying to call me honey. Got her fist out, want just a little more of my money. I give that woman all the love I can. She's gonna give it away to some other man. Lately things they don't seem the same. Middle of the night she called out somebody else's name. Come home from work, trying to clear my head. Found some other man's shoes underneath my bed. I ain't never had no Stacey Adams shoes before. Lord, I got a lazy woman. You know she's gotta go. My friends come around saying, man, I told you so. Full of gimme, mouth full of much obliged. Lord, that lazy woman, oh, she make me so tired. Them lazy woman, oh, lazy woman blues.
I know, y'all want to see. Can't see. It's gonna go like this. This thing. It's gonna go behind this. Goes behind this, and then the grill's gonna go on the inside, and all of them bolt together. And so no matter what, that has to come off. That comes loose. This goes on. That goes around. This goes on. It looks like it was bolted this way because it's got these stupid little tabs in there. So that means it's gonna get the rib nuts. So I put that together. I know, but just for now. It's got to slide in between this and this, but it bolts here. So I mean, this doesn't come off, it just gets loosened. And that goes behind this. So this is probably a waste of time without that piece on there. Probably. Two years. 2 years. So I got the scoop fitted. Well, yeah. Pretty sure this goes behind the fender. Because of the way it's bent here. So we're going to have to come in and up and over.